Hey, we've got the Parish man. Jared, he's got a hobby box of Topps Chrome 2017. Beastable. There we go. He chose metal. This is his box. I don't think I sucked tonight. I definitely didn't break well for John. But I mean, come on. Seager Super. Bellinger auto. Correa, then and now out of 25. Springer out of 25 autograph. I'm not ashamed by my performance at all. Just for John, I did not do so well. Oh, I am. Oh, I gotta show you guys my my national purchases. I bought 3 things at the National. You guys hang out after Charles's Pop Century, I will show you them. But only if you hang out until 3 a.m. Damn it. Alright, there's one side, Mr. Parrish. Wow, that was just terrible. Let me just make sure nothing got damaged in here. Whew, okay. Moncada rookie, nothing got damaged. Let's slow down. Totally stuck. I have no idea where your mail is, Danny. The office is a complete hazard zone. But Ron will definitely find them for you tomorrow. Not Blue Jays related, actually, what I bought this year. I'm assuming your mail is out in the great beyond out there, Danny. Out there in the great beyond. That's where all the eBay cards still are, the ComC cards, half of our single box inventory, which is not even cataloged in here yet. That's why the shelves behind. Just realized Harley's like completely breaking there. Oh, that's creepy. Oh, that is so creepy. I like it, though. What did Nate say? Oh, and you're Ian Zering. Alright, Mr. Parrish, good luck, man. Here we go. Luke. Enciarte Prism. Your first auto is none other than Carlos Asuaje. No, it did not, Danny. And the eBay store will be revitalized tonight. Once I log off, that's the first thing I'm doing is resetting the eBay store, so all the listings will be live again. Your book or your 6-way will be up there. So Asuaje. Russell. We got suspended for a while, but I actually had everything deactivated anyways until we got home and figured out what sold and what didn't. 123 out of 299. Odubel Herrera. Brian, normally I'd say just go ahead and buy it and I'll rip it, but I really do have a shit ton to do before I leave at 9. Pujols Prism, and I appreciate it, man. I will enjoy for sure. Second auto, Cody Bellinger. Well, look at you, Mr. Parrish. Look at you. Attaboy, Danny. Attaboy. Look at that. A little Bellinger. 2 Bellingers on the night. Let me sleeve that bad boy. Santana and Turner. You Parish boys. Aw, Danny, you're not gonna stay to see my PC? My national purchases? We sold a lot. We sold like 30 grand in individual cards, John. We actually did pretty well. For our first attempt at selling individual cards. I don't think, believe it or not, I don't think any of yours sold, John, but I won't honestly know it till I do the spreadsheet and look through and actually verify everything. There's a Koch Prism and another Bellinger rookie. But off the top of my head, I do not think any of yours sold. But I could very well be wrong. There's a Kimbrel. And your last couple cards, Mr. Parrish. Turner. Milkman. Russell. Myers. You got a Yuli Gurriel blue out of 150. 134 out of 150. And that is looking like it. Damn, dude. Nice hit. Nice. Alright, let me save that.